Okay, for 104, they want us to simplify terms. So for A, we multiply the coefficients. 2 times 4 is 8. M to the third times m squared, you add the exponents, right? So it's m to the fifth. For B, 6 divided by 3, again, the coefficients first. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And y to the fifth divided by y squared, right? Y to the fifth divided by y squared is y to the fifth minus 2, right? 5 minus 2, which is y to the third, right? In case you forget your rules. You shouldn't by now, but in case you do. For C, negative 4 over 6 becomes negative 2/3, right? Don't forget to simplify those. And then I have 7 y's on the denominator and 2 y's in the numerator. So I have y to the fifth left here. So I take that shortcut. You could take this approach. Y squared over y to the seventh is y to the 2 minus 7th, which is y to the negative 5th, which is 1 over y to the 5th, right, which is what I ended up with. I think it's easier to think of it as I have 7 y's in the denominator, right? So I have like this, 2 in the numerator, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 2 of these cancel, right? And I'm left with y to the 5th, 5 y's in the denominator. I think that's quicker. Okay, so for D, I have a negative to the cubed, right? So I have something negative cubed. So that's negative times negative is positive times negative is negative. So I like to figure out my positives or negatives first. Then I have 2 cubed, right? 2 cubed is 8. And then x squared to the third, right? That's power to power. X squared to the third is x to the 2 times 3, which is x to the 6, right? X to the 6 for D.